Hey guys, this is Paul from Smart Easy DIY. Welcome to episode 19 of building my pole barn house. Today I wanted to cover a little bit of what we did for priming and painting. I was able to borrow this sprayer from work. It was a Graco 490, I believe. I don't know if the numbers really matter, but I was really happy with it. It did a really good job for me, and I was just able to borrow it, so I was glad for that. I had to do a little learning about what I was doing, but I wanted to show you here. This is some of the primer that we used. It is a Valspar primer from Lowe's. We had really good reviews on it and a lot better than the Bear from Home Depot as far as the primer goes. And we ended up using a Sherwin Williams paint from Lowe's as well. It had a really good sale on it at the time, so we got a really good quality paint for a really good price. So I just wanted to do a little walkthrough here quick and show you that we masked off all the windows and doors. I didn't wrap my sills with drywall, so I was able to mask on the outside where the trim is going to cover it. If you have your windows wrapped all the way in around the window with drywall and it's finished off, then you're going to have to mask in right in on your window itself. So this here made it a little easier for me since I'm going to encase the whole thing with wood. I was able just to tape it on there and it worked just fine that way. So I got that plastic that had the tape pre-attached on one side. That really helped and kind of made this process speed up quite a bit. So the one thing also that I did is I went through and vacuumed out all the dust everywhere I could think of, like in all the holes and stuff. But it really helps. You don't want any dust to spray back when you're spraying at all. So you want to vacuum out all the can lights, everything that has cut drywall on it, exposed drywall. You want to make sure to vacuum that up, and the floor as well. So this is me all suited up in my Tyvek suit. I highly recommend doing that if you're going to do it. There's a lot of spray back sometimes, and goggles and gloves and everything. Anyway, so this thing worked really good to sweep all the way from the top to the bottom in one pass and just do a nice even coat. You stay about a foot away. I highly recommend, if you're doing some of this yourself, if you don't know a whole lot about it, check out YouTube, the Idaho Painter. He is really good, has a lot of tips and tricks. I learned a lot from watching him. So he will kind of recommend what tip to use, but I also recommend talking to your local Sherwin Williams. They really know a lot, at least my local Sherwin does. So they are really helpful. So if you have any questions about what to use and all that good stuff. So I ended up priming really heavily, probably heavier than I needed to, but new drywall really soaks it up. So you want to make sure to not skimp on the primer. And then I ended up going back, and after I coated everything with one coat of paint and I wasn't really happy with it. I probably should have done two with the sprayer, but it kind of left marks. So I went ahead and rolled it after the fact. And then we went and rolled all the bedrooms, of course, after that. But this is Mrs. Smart Easy DIY. She's helping me on this project. She does a lot of the cutting in and I was doing a lot of the rolling, but we kind of switched it up as well sometimes. So we worked really well together as a team. We did green in the bedroom. One bedroom was gray, one bedroom was kind of a beige color, I believe. And the main living room kitchen is kind of an off-white. It's a kind of neutral colors. I guess they're really nice. We really were happy with them. Got my buddy here helping as we are going along, and you can see we got some paint on ourselves, of course, too. A lot of different colors, what we did through the whole project. But anyways, it turned out really good. I don't really have any walkthrough to show you everything, but here's a few pictures just to show you a little bit. And I hope you guys enjoy. Probably next video we're going to be insulating the attic, kind of showing that a little bit. We did blown in fiberglass. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at SmartEasyDIY, and I hope to see you on there for kind of behind the scenes stuff and all that. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.